Hi, I'm Dr. James Vogel. I would like to thank the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery, the Board of Governors, and the Executive Committee for the honor of bestowing to me in 2016 the Golden Follicle Award. Receiving the Golden Follicle Award has been one of the significant milestones in my professional career. It is particularly important to me and very humbling because it comes not only from my peers but also from an organization that has done so much for me both professionally and personally. There are many to thank for this, and in this brief video it is impossible to name them all. However, it was Dow Stow who initially welcomed me into the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgery and encouraged my early participation. In the beginning days, Paul Straub, Russell Knutson, Danny Russo, Mario Marzola, David Seeger, Bob Haber, Walter and Marty Unger, and Sheldon Kabacher, and many others for sure, were all amazing supporters and colleagues, and most importantly, terrific friends. Together, we collaborated, taught each other, and the collective sum of our interactions formed the early pillars of the ISHRS. Ralph Waldo Emerson, the poet, wrote that nothing great was ever accomplished without enthusiasm. Well, the ISHRS was definitely created with enthusiasm and developed into a great organization. I am confident that with continued enthusiasm, the ISHRS will continue to be the largest and most respected professional organization dedicated to the highest standards in hair restoration surgery. And so it is with great humility, tremendous gratitude, and enthusiasm that I accept the 2016 Golden Follicle Award from the ISHRS. Thank you.